Problem number 13. Vani and Sandhya are partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:2, 3:5, 3/5 and 2/5. Their balance sheet as of 31st March 2018 was as follows. Creditors 77,500, no bills payable, no bank overdraft, nothing else. Reserve 20,000, profit and loss account 5,000, capitals of Vani 60,000, Sandhya 30,000, total outer column 90,000. So cash in bank 21,500, stock 39,000, debtors inner column 60,000, less 3,000 PDD. So 57,000 in the outer column. Furniture 10,000, buildings 40,000, machinery 25,000. Totally both the columns 1,92,500, 1,92,500. On 1/4/2018, Chaya is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. She should bring rupees 40,000 as capital for 1/4 share in the future profits. And goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 25,000. Once again the same. Goodwill is raised at its full value and shown in the books of account. So this 25,000 should be distributed to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio, and also we have to show asset side of the balance sheet as goodwill 25,000. Depreciate furniture by 10%, appreciate building by 20%. PDD provision for doubtful debts is increased by rupees 3,000. An amount of rupees 2,000 due to a creditor is not likely to be claimed. See, 77,500 is there. In that 2,000 creditor is not ready to take. He will give the concession to us. So that is the profit to the business. And hence it enough. So R1 see, depreciate furniture by 10% to furniture account. To furniture account, furniture say here 10,000 is there into 10/100, 1,000 is the loss to the firm. Appreciate building by 20%. By buildings, building value is 40,000. Building value is 40,000 divided by 20 into 20 divided by 100, that is 8,000. PDD is increased by rupees 3,000 to CDD. Only increased value, that is 3,000. And an amount of rupees 2,000, so it is an income to the business by creditors. 2,000. So here two partners capital account, Vani, Sandhya. So on the credit side is 10,000, 8,000 plus 2,000, that is 10,000. Here is 4,000. Difference is 6,000. 6,000 into 3/5, that is 3,600, and 6,000 into 2/5, that is 2,400. Overall 6,000 in the outer column. Total both the columns of revaluation account 10,000 and 10,000. 10,000 and 10,000. Now all partners capital accounts. Here, DR, all partners capital account. Say one more partner will come here. particulars Vani rupees, Sandhya rupees, and Chaya rupees. Particulars Vani rupees, Sandhya rupees, Chaya rupees. Same capital balances. By balance brought down. That is, those are the balances given in the balance sheet. Old partners balances you have to consider and record here. By balance brought down 60,000, 30,000. By bank account. Why I am writing in one problem as cash and one problem is bank. Say bank. When the word is used as bank, we have to record bank. When the word is used as cash, we have to record as cash. So bank account. So how much? 40,000 Chaya brought into the business, and by reserve, 20,000 in 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. 12,000, 8,000. By profit and loss account, that is given in the problem. Profit and loss account, undistributed profit of the last year. Now we have to distribute it 5,000 in 3:2. That is 3,000 and 2,000 by over. So goodwill is there. That goodwill, how much is there? 25,000 by goodwill. Goodwill is raised. Goodwill of the firm is valued. Both are on our side. We have to show in the books of accounts when there is no specific information in regards with the written off or withdrawn. 25,000 in 3:2, old ratio only. That is 15,000 and 10,000 dash. To revaluation account. Revaluation account. So 3,600. Sorry. It is also revaluation profit is there by revaluation account. 3,600, 2,400. So 40,000 here, 30, 40, 50, 52,000, 400 here, 15, 50, 30, 93,000, 93,600. So two balance brought down. Two balance carried down. 93,600, 52,400 and 40,000. So 93,600, 52,400 and 40,000. Next, new balance sheet. New balance sheet. Of the firm. That is rupees, assets, rupees. Say like this, creditors are there. Creditors 77,500 less not claimed. Not claimed 2,000, 75,500. After that, nothing is there. Only capital balances. Capitals Vani, Sandhya and Chaya. So 93,600, 52,400, 40,000. One lakh 86,000. Here, cash and bank 21,500 and capital of Chaya 40,000, 61,500. No withdrawal, nothing else. Next, stock. Directly write in the outer column stock 39,000. Debtors, say 60,000 is there. Less PDD, old plus new, 3,000 plus 3,000, 6,000, totally 54,000. Furniture, furniture 10,000 less 10%, 1,000, that is 9,000. Next is there buildings 40,000 and 20%, 8,000, 48,000. Machinery, no adjustment for this. Machinery 25,000. Lastly, goodwill. Goodwill is 25,000. Say 500. One, carry 1, 6, 2,61,500. Here 500, 10, 18, 27, 31, 41, carry 4, 12, 17, 20, 26. 2,61,500, 2,61,500.